So we have
the Blues Deluxe Reissue. This is the Made in Mexico version, modded with the Fromo mod. It also has 6v6s in the output, and a couple other little magical things in there. Right now we're running all the modulation through the effects loop, and all the drives and fuzz and comp will be going through the front end. Take it away, Joe.
Alright, so this is with stock speaker. Yeah. And we're gonna switch it out for the Celestion Creamback.
G12M 65.
Got it. Not so good at the details. Try some drive. All right. So this is the Free the Tone SOV2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, so it sounds. Nice.
Sounds legit.
Sounds legit, yeah.
You want to give us some Sweet Honey?
Let's try some Mad Professor Sweet Honey. The Sweet Honey OD.
Sounds so good.
Sounds good.
And I think we should take it all the way to the top.
All
the
the way to the
classic
Are you ready?
Electro Harmonics,
The biggest
Muff
pedal.
NYC, made in the USA.
It's massive, both in size and sound.
Hi.
This is some behind the scenes.
Yeah,
This is what happens when you try to swap a speaker.
No, this is
One guy sits there and does nothing. And
One
the other
holds
guy
it.
does
just don't touch the tubes.
I'm gonna touch it.
Or do, whatever you feel like.
I don't want to burn my hands. Thanks very much. Oh, this thing has a screw in it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Just like half hold it, but don't touch the tubes.
Nicely done. You got it. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, so grab that side on the top. There's nothing on the back. Pull it like that. Don't touch inside.
Yeah. I'll electrocute myself or.
Let's do the Free the Tone, Sweet Honey, or not Sweet Honey, sorry, the SOV2. That's just so much more present. Like, that's awesome. Dude, that sounds
big difference.
wicked.
All right, max gain. Max gain.
No. That sounds awesome. Oh man.
See what I mean though? It
Dude,
it handles
I gotta
drive
try my Strat, dude.
so well.
Beep, beep.